It's looking good. Black Edition. Oh, it doesn't sound like a bottom end to me. It's shaking though. Right, let's get on the ramp. So yeah, we've been asked by another garage to check that Audi. It's a customer's car. Apparently on the way down to the garage, it started mucking. Right, it doesn't sound too good. That is very rattly. There should be little inspection holes on the side of the cylinder head. Like if the seal is blown, that's the indicator there was an issue with the injector.